The idea of building a personal brand on LinkedIn may seem daunting, especially if you're not sure where to start. There's a lot to consider: what type of content to post, how often to post, what time to post, and so on. It can all be overwhelming, but it gets a lot easier if you can settle into the right mindset. One of the most important things to remember when creating content on LinkedIn is to be intentional and focused. How do we do that? It's really quite simple. Make deliberate choices that lead to specific results in the future. Don't go into this blind. What is it you want to accomplish by being on LinkedIn? Knowing the goal or objective will help you make the right choices to get there. This may sound the same as being deliberate, but what it really means is that you need to start visualizing where you're going and the steps to take along the way. Don't just assume you'll end up in the right place. Plan and envision getting there. Having a plan is great. Now make sure you're staying on target by checking in with yourself and your goals at regular intervals. It's easy to take on too much and burden yourself with a goal or output that can seem like it becomes all-consuming. Take each lesson in strides. Don't be afraid to take weekends off or take mental health breaks. These can be essential in developing a positive relationship with your branding efforts and provide perspective that is important for both your personal and professional lives. Building a personal brand takes time, and consistency is key. Your successes and failures will build off of one another, and it's essential to stay resilient to keep pushing forward. Social media marketing are difficult, as the trends and algorithms seemingly change by the day, sometimes by the hour. Don't be afraid to experiment with new strategies, tactics, content types, and features to keep it interesting for you. Metrics are important, but they're not the be-all and end-all. Develop a clear strategy for building your personal brand, including your goals, your target audience, and your messaging. Developing a personal brand requires a patient, strategic, and authentic mindset. By staying committed, being proactive, and staying true to your values and target audience, you'll establish a strong personal brand that sets you apart in your industry. Don't forget to tackle this slowly but surely, and eventually, your hard work will pay off.